Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we're going to take a look at the dryer recommended by most technicians. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. If you're looking for a workhorse of a dryer that will last many years, the Speed Queen DF7 is for you. This dryer is manufactured to give you many years of reliability, which is one of the reasons why it's often recommended by technicians. Like they say, you get what you pay for. While this dryer will set you back somewhere between $1,700 and $1,900, it also comes with a 5-year parts and labour warranty right out of the gate. The reason why Speed Queen can give you such a 5-year warranty is because they manufacture the product to last. In fact, their residential appliances are already commercial grade. The old saying is, if it isn't broken, don't fix it. While this dryer has not changed in many years, and does not include many bells and whistles, Speed Queen uses the same high quality components that they've used for years. Some of the features this dryer does include are 7 preset drying cycles and 4 auto dry cycles with a moisture sensor. Another great thing about the DF7 is, after your manufacturer warranty is up, if you run into any issues, ApplianceVideo.com offers a complete video series on how to fix every functional component on this dryer and the rest of Speed Queen's appliances. Visit ApplianceVideo.com to watch these videos and more. And if this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.